Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best juice blender is probably one of the most convenient ways to boost your daily intake of fruits and vegetables. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of juice blenders, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to fit your lifestyle. From powerful motors to easy-to-clean designs, we'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision and start enjoying fresh, homemade juices every day. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer. This durable juicer is backed by a 3-year limited warranty from Hamilton Beach, the #1 juice extractor brand in America. It's a reliable choice for your juicing needs. Compare it to the competition. It features an extra-large 3-inch chute, 800 watts of power, an 80 ounces pulp bin, and a 3-year warranty. Plus, the removable parts are dishwasher safe. The centrifugal juicer chute fits whole fruits and vegetables. You can skip pre-cutting produce before juicing, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. The 800-watt motor ensures maximum juice yield from both hard and soft foods. It can juice everything from oranges to leafy greens. Cleaning up is easy with the included strainer cleaning brush. The pulp bin, juice bowl, lid, and pusher are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. What we like? This juicer boasts a large 3-inch feed chute, saving you prep time. With its powerful 800W motor, it extracts maximum juice from both hard and soft foods. If you're looking for a juicer that simplifies your morning routine and delivers high juice yield, you should consider this one. What people say. The large 3-inch feed chute makes it so easy to juice whole fruits and vegetables without a lot of prep work. It powers through everything quickly with the strong 800W motor, and the juice comes out fresh and smooth, perfect for adding into our plant-based smoothies. Cleanup is simple compared to other juicers I've tried, which makes me want to use it every day. Number 4. Mueller Ultra Power Juicer Easy Clean Extractor. This compact yet powerful juicer helps you live a healthier lifestyle. It allows you to consume more fruits and vegetables easily. It offers dual speeds for different types of produce. You can select high speed for harder foods or low speed for softer foods. This gives you greater control over the juicing process. It ensures optimal extraction for various ingredients. The wide feed chute makes it easy to insert whole fruits and vegetables. It also includes safety features like overload protection and a locking arm. This ensures safe and convenient operation. It comes with a juice jug and a pulp container, separating juice and pulp automatically. This saves you time and makes cleanup easier. It also includes a helpful chart for reference. Cleaning is simple with the included brush to clear debris from the blades. This juicer provides an easy way for you and your family to consume more healthy foods. Enjoy fresh juice and create delicious recipes. Mueller is committed to providing you with the best quality products. If you need help, please feel free to contact us. Our professional customer support is always here for you. What we like? This juicer offers dual speeds for different produce types, ensuring optimal juice extraction. It features a wide 3-inch feed chute and includes a helpful chart to guide your juicing. If you are looking to customize your juicing experience with different speeds, this is a great choice. What people say. Good juicer, gets the job done without much fuss. Relatively small footprint so doesn't take up much counter space. Easy to clean, parts easily disassemble to make cleanup easy. Number 3. Juilist 800W Juicer Extractor. This new centrifugal juicer offers customizable juicing options. It utilizes optimized motor technology for better juice yield, ensuring you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables. Tired of waiting? This juicer's high-speed motor juices fruits and vegetables in seconds. The wide feed chute saves you time, allowing you to enjoy delicious and vitamin-rich juice quickly. Worried about space? Its compact design fits perfectly on your countertop. Laboratory tests show that it extracts up to 26% more juice compared to other 800W juicers. New to juicing? This juicer features one-button control and is easy to assemble and use. It simplifies the juicing process, making it perfect for beginners. Cleaning up is a breeze with this juicer. The included brush makes cleaning the juicing filter easy, and the dishwasher-safe accessories mean cleanup is never a chore. It offers 3-speed functions for various fruits and vegetables. Customize your juices and make your kitchen more colorful, juicing a bunch of fresh juice. It features stainless steel finishes and a sleek design. The juicer also includes automatic overheat protection and a double safety lock for safe operation. What we like. This juicer features a powerful 800W motor and 3 speed settings for versatile juicing. It also has a wide feed chute and is easy to clean. If you like to customize your juice and want a juicer that's easy to assemble and use, you should consider this one. What people say. It's compact, which makes it perfect for my kitchen counter and easy to store. The setup and cleanup are both super simple, and it's great for making quick juices with fruits like oranges, lemons, carrots, any fruit or vegetables you desired. It extracted almost all of the liquid and left a very dry pulp. It's easy to put together, and has suction cups to keep it stable. It's reasonably powerful. It handled ginger and turmeric chopped up into 1-inch pieces. It's easy to set up, and the wide chute makes it simple to drop in whole fruits and vegetables without a lot of prep work. The motor feels strong, so it handles apples, carrots, and leafy greens pretty well. The juice comes out smooth with very little pulp, and cleanup is easier than I expected. Most parts rinse off quick. Number 2. Tescook 600W Juicer. This juicer boasts a powerful 600W motor, ensuring high-speed operation. It maximizes juice yield while preserving the essential nutrients and flavors of your fruits and vegetables. It features 2 express modes and 1 plus mode. You can easily switch between low and high speeds, perfect for both soft and hard produce. There is also an instant speed function. Safety is a priority with this juicer. It has a safety lock to prevent drips during operation. The non-slip feet and heat dissipation base ensure stability and efficient cooling. The transparent design lets you see the juicing process. It's made from BPA-free materials, allowing you to monitor everything and control the pace of adding your ingredients. The juicer includes a large feed chute, which can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables. This feature saves you time and effort by eliminating the need for pre-cutting. What we like. This juicer features a 600W motor and 3 speed settings for versatile juicing. The non-drip function ensures a clean experience. If you are looking for a juicer that is safe, efficient, and allows you to see the juicing process, you should consider this one. What people say. It has a powerful 600W motor and a 3-speed setting, which makes it easy to extract juice from a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. I love how the instructions were very easy to understand, and using it for the first time wasn't hard at all. Another huge plus is that it is super easy to clean and comes with a brush to clean the inside section that is a little harder to clean. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Juicer and Blender. This is a space-saving appliance that combines a juicer and blender. You can start by making juice, then blend it with other ingredients to create smoothies, protein shakes, or even cocktails. It's a versatile tool for all your beverage needs. The juicer allows you to juice directly into the blender jar, saving you time. The 20 ounces shatterproof jar comes with a travel lid, so you can enjoy your drinks on the go. It's designed for convenience. The 3-inch chute fits whole fruits and vegetables, like apples and oranges. This feature minimizes prep time by eliminating the need for pre-cutting. It's all about making your life easier. The 800-watt motor ensures maximum juice extraction. With 2 speeds and a pulse function, it handles various produce types, from apples and carrots to leafy greens. It's built for efficiency. Cleaning is a breeze with the patented Easy Sweep cleaning tool. It cuts strainer cleaning time in half. Plus, all removable parts are dishwasher safe. It's designed for easy cleanup. What we like. This unique juicer combines a juicer and blender in one convenient machine. The 3-inch big mouth chute saves you time on prep work. If you like to make smoothies and shakes and want a versatile appliance, you should consider this one. What people say. Great starter juicer, a lot of pieces but easy to clean. The blender part is easy to use. I use that daily and juice weekly. The canister is nice and large. It is a bit noisy, but the machine is powerful to juice my watermelon rinds. The item is easy to disassemble to clean. And the brush to clean the screen is absolutely amazing. Makes cleaning so easy. Works as advertised, cleans super easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.